famous 99-cent pizza. Pretty mid.
I've been wanting to say something. You've been on my radar. I hope this can pay off, cause I need well. I can't take no days off. Girl, we can just take off. Back and forth just like pain.
It is that day. The boy is finally traveling. Today we're going to New York. My flight leaves at 11:30. I'm gonna see if I can catch a quick trade before on AM session. Let's see what we can do. First time skiing, first time going in the snow for this long, first time going to Utah. This vlog is gonna be ridiculous. All right, it is 9:36. We are on stream trading with the fellas, but it's chopping so bad and I need to go. I need to hop in my Uber. I'm not gonna waste freaking to miss my flight because of this chop. So I might not take a trade, might take a trade at the airport actually. So stay tuned for that. Let's get this trip going, baby. I'm excited. Let's go.
We're in our seats now. Nobody here knows. I just made 3 bands with a trade this morning while I was at the airport. Shout out, bro. Floating 3 bands in the sky, paying for my trip before I even go. Crazy stuff. I'll see you guys there.
On the floor of Putney, no I can. He can't, she can't, but they know I can. I don't eat perks, no I only eat Zans. You ain't got niche, no you don't touch bands.
All right, y'all, just landed in the airport right here. We are picking our bag up and then we're getting picked up and in the room. I already saw one person I know, so I'm excited for this trip. Let's get it. Am I gonna be cooked with the weather? I have not been in cold weather in years. I haven't seen snow in I don't know. Wait to do the rest of the video. We'll see if I'm cooked or not.
I can't stop, I crush the blow rock, man. Do the whole thing before the sun's up, man. I can't stop, I crush the blow rock, man. Do the whole thing before the sun's up, man.
I just came and picked up some headphones. This is where we're at right now. It is freezing. It's a G-Wagon ski. Dude, the looks I'm getting around here for filming is not like Miami, not like Florida. It's a little more uncomfortable, I can't lie. Alright, I just got back to the hotel room. Finally, the traffic here is absolutely awful. We can't even move like a mile in 30 minutes, but yeah, this is the spot so far. I'm enjoying it, man. I really am. I really enjoy this place. There's a lot of wealth. There's a lot of weird stuff too. But yeah, one of my buddies that actually lives here, I'm gonna go to dinner with him and then go somewhere and then let's just have a night because tomorrow we're gonna lock in another CPI day. Take a trade, take another dub, and then end the week off undefeated, which is crazy. I mean, this strategy is insane that we're using. It's actually crazy. Earlier in the video, I caught freaking $3,000 about to board my flight, which is crazy. But yeah, I'll update you guys when I'm out.
She can't, but they know I can. I don't eat perks, no, I only eat Zans. You ain't got niche, no, you don't touch.
All right, family, back in the hotel room. It is pretty late. Went to dinner with some friends, and yeah, dude, the city's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So cold, bro. My hands are frozen. But the plan for tomorrow, we got 8:20 a.m. free live stream for the free Discord, CPI news, passive sub-funded accounts. You know what I'm saying? We got Johnny's event after that for the rest of the day, and then meet some more friends and part of my team to go to dinner. But yeah, absolutely love it here. Might be another spot I want to move to. Who knows? I'm gonna have spots around the world. We all know that. Come on now. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, it is the next morning, guys. I cannot wait to show you what we just did and what we're about to do again. I haven't even left the crib, so I'm changing right now and getting ready for the event. But we traded CPI and we made $3,000 and passed all of our accounts in like 2 seconds. Freaking nuts, bro. I'll show you after. But yeah, before I show you guys kind of what we did trading this morning, let's give you a little fit check. We got the Chrome Easy on top, Chrome Hearts. Wait, let me do it like the TikTokers. Hold on. All right, Chrome Hearts on the top, let's do it. Gucci denim Prada jeans, let's do it. Hermes belt, let's do it. Nike socks, let's do it. Nike reflective gray Bowerman series Nikes, let's do it. This little over the top sweater, let's do it. And then this Columbia cold jacket. Just got it when I came up here because I don't need it in Florida ever. Won't ever wear it again unless I go skiing again. But let's do it. Sorry guys. Almost forgot one thing. Movado 101 Iced Out Diamond Face. You cannot buy this in the store. Let's do it. Okay, that's it.
dumping after
All right,
earnings.
so
I did
me
see it
and
on
my
Gap
analyst
account,
Nick
yeah, I
are
just
live
didn't
trading right now.
take it
Obviously,
at
as you
all,
guys can
or not
see,
take that.
still live trading, even though we are in New York, still doing everything that we offer to our students. And right now we're in the free chat, and as you guys know, we stream in the free chat sometimes,
Really?
not really
Oh, yeah,
ever.
that's right.
We
It
do
does. It looks like no shares
99%
traded,
of our
honestly.
streams in the inner circle.
Amen.
So
Is
everyone
it
made like
over
$3,000
earnings? It
this
is
morning. I
over
don't know what
earnings.
else to say. This
But
is
why did I
crazy. Wait, let
not
me just
take
show you my
this,
P&L.
with that Qs and stuff being down?
So we got
yeah,
about
Amen's a
10K
good gap,
today.
actually, but
10K in about 3
It's a
seconds.
large cap too. Yeah, it is a large
The
cap.
trade was 3 seconds long. All right, I'll see you guys. I might go get bacon, egg, and cheese after this too because you're in New York. You have to, bro. All right, did not take a trade for the AM session, the second AM session. We already won this morning, so what is the point of taking another trade? We don't know. We're in New York. We betting a bit. Go to Johnny's event, get a bacon, egg, and cheese the Aki way, and just vibe out. Freeze my ass. Let's go.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6-1 on the money, 9-2. You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
Yo, my heart was good, literally. God damn, they quenched my Timbs in this bitch.
I can't figure out how to fucking.
It glitches out all the time. Triple clickers.
All right, now flip it around, show the camera.
We're about to go to dinner. What is it? What is it called?
I think it's Bond 45.
Bond 45. Sounds pretty nice, but you know, I really wanted to go to Raising Cane's, but the boys are kind of getting on me. But yeah, what do they have? Steak?
Pasta, pizza, you know, the Italian shit.
I'm stepping too. Italian stepping New York. Hold on. 30-day aged New York strip. It looks like it could be at like Texas Roadhouse too. Looks good though. What you got?
Margarita pizza.
Fire.
How thin this is?
It's like paper, bro.
That's crazy.
What you got? Filet mignon. Not gonna lie, New York food made me gain 13 pounds. That's why it's not the jackets that make me look this shape. It's actually the fat that I'm gaining. But yeah, I'm not with anyone. I am about to go downstairs to get some New York pizza because like that's probably tradition, and I can't be in New York without getting some pizza. It's about 9 p.m. right now. I got my flight to Salt Lake City at 3 a.m. or no, it's 6 a.m. but I gotta leave here at 3:30 a.m. because it's the JFK airport. But I'm excited for that. I'm probably not gonna get any sleep. Who knows? And then I'm right on the skis in the morning. So it's a jam-packed week, but again, I'm blessed to be able to do this at such a young age and travel because I've always wanted to do it my whole life. And achieving that goal of location freedom. Like, for example, this morning, I made $9,000 in 1 second. Yes, it was CPI, but still trading, right? Being on vacation, not at my home, and giving me the freedom to do anything I want. Like, it's the best. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get the pizza. The famous 99-cent pizza. Pretty mid. Alright, it's time to go to bed. Finally, flight at 6 a.m. tomorrow. I gotta leave this place at 3:30 a.m. because the airport's pretty far. So sleep isn't really an option on these type of trips. So yeah, I'm gonna head out. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or in a couple hours, I guess. Bro, it is snowing. 3:30 a.m. and it's snowing.
And also, in addition to the internet not working for that.
Already, we have landed in Utah. It's time to go street skiing. There's nothing else that I'm planned. I'm going from the airport off 3 hours of sleep to the mountains. Let's do it.
If I should stay and say I tried, or I should leave and say goodbye.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. Y'all ever just take a second and look? Oh my god. I can't lie. I may be a natural. I have not fallen, and this is not that hard. But once I get in the mountain, it's definitely gonna be a little bit more challenging. But just taking a second to look where I became, dude. What I've done. And look at this kid. He's probably better than me at skiing. This little ass kid.
But hey, at the end of this, I'm gonna be ripping the blacks or whatever they call it.
Those ain't words to live by, wouldn't call that sound advice. Our future doesn't sound too bright, but I just nod and say you're right, I do.
This is cake. This is cake.
I should stay and say I tried. I should leave and say goodbye. It's killing me inside. And all my presence to show my affection.
All right, y'all. Day 2 of skiing. Today we're gonna get a little bit better. Today we're going a bigger mountain, and hopefully I don't wipe out. So I'll take you guys with us.
I'm just a caring and passionate guy. Girls with your friends got you changing your mind. Girls with your friends got you changing. Girls with your friends got you changing your mind.
Look at that view, bro. Getting better today. Only fell pretty bad once. Lost my ski once, but otherwise pretty good. Pretty high up here though. I came from all the way up there. Look at this view. Really can't beat that. How's the drip looking? He's got better drip than me. Look at the Supreme. But he's still stuck in 2018 though.
I need to see you face to face. Gotta look you in the eye, I do. Girl, I can't decide if I should stay and say I tried, or I should leave and say goodbye.
This is sick, bro. This is what I'm saying. Experiences. You use your trading money to buy experiences, not freaking Rolexes. Even though I do have chrome on under this. Don't get it twisted.
I can't vent to you through no text message and reply. I need to see you face to face. Gotta look you in the eye, I do.
So crazy, bro. So crazy. I'm sure the camera does not do it justice, but this is something. Like, you only dream of this, man. You really only do. Watch this. What a day. So we just played pickleball at an indoor dome because it's so cold out here, so we wouldn't be able to play and no lights anyways. But it's cool. This Park City, it's a wealthy town, but it's small, so you know everybody knows each other. But yeah, we played pickleball for like 3 hours. I'm dead. Last day of skiing tomorrow, so let's do it. Oh yeah, and the market's closed tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about anything. Alright y'all, just got done for the first session of skiing. We had to come down because it was getting a little too icy and we were getting hungry, and honestly we didn't really know what we were going to do because we didn't want to wait in the line again. So we got some grub, a little bacon cheeseburger. Yes, I've been so fat this week, I can't lie. But we're back to the grind tomorrow. So we're figuring out if we are going to stay here or go mountain bike or something. So last run, baby, let's go. Alright fellas, long day, but we are about to go mountain skiing. Not mountain skiing, sorry, I'm just totally wiped out right now. We're about to go mountain biking, which is something I've never done, man. I feel like everything I'm doing this trip I've never done, but if I can get some footage I will. If not, sorry. I'm going to be biking in the rocks, but yeah, there's going to be some good views. And also, done with skiing for the week. What an experience, man. This vlog is going to be insane. Y'all might be asking me, Dukes, why does it look like you're in where a cobra snake resides home? Well, look around. This is called mountain biking. Absolutely beautiful. Now I can't lie, I did trip on a rock once or twice, but this is my first time doing it, bro. Chill out on me. Chill out on me. I can't be perfect at everything. Took 2 new skills this week, skiing and mountain biking, and freaking everything. Getting to this side of America. But this is what life's about, man. Trying new things and really just being fearless. And although I might fall a couple times, might hurt myself, this is worth it. This is where the top is. Come on, DJI. Did I think before I did this I could do it? Probably not. Did I think I'd be as good at skiing, even though I'm not good, and mountain biking, whatever it is? Before I did it, was I scared? A little bit, but I did it. I got to the top, and that's really what life's about. Although it might be hard, although there's going to be some rocks on the road, rocks on the trail, you get to the top. You get to the top no matter what, and That's where the store here. So grateful. God is great. Alright guys, back from the biking trip. We went to Ruth Chris right after, got dressed and stuff. And then before our flight, actually at Ruth Chris, we got the most stupid meal ever. Met lobster mac and cheese, steak sandwich. I mean, it was insane. But yeah, we're gonna go play paddleball, not pickleball, paddleball today before the flight. And then we're out of here and trip's over. Crazy trip, great video. And this might be my favorite video ever, so drop a like for that. But yeah, I'm not gonna be able to film probably a paddleball, so we'll see you after at my flight that boards at midnight, so it's gonna be a long night. All right, y'all, we are at the airport finally. It's time to go home. I feel like that trip lasted literally 2 minutes, but here we are, flying back to good old Florida. But the weather should be better there. I have missed the hot weather, so I'm excited, but gonna sleep. It's about midnight right now, so we're gonna get home at like 5 a.m. and then wake up for AM session tomorrow. I'll probably record that too, so you guys can get a little sneak peek on how much we're banking every single day. But yeah, I'm excited to get back on the charts. Today was obviously a bank holiday, so I did not trade. We are undefeated the last 2 weeks, so it's getting pretty stupid. This strategy's pretty stupid. But yeah, let's do it. Alrighty, fellas, we are back at the crib, back in Florida. What a trip. Seriously, this video was probably insane. I haven't watched it yet, obviously, because I'm still filming it. But yeah, I got home today, woke up, traded. I couldn't trade the gap fill in the morning at open, so that was kind of annoying, but we got PM session still today, so we can see if we take another dub. But yeah, guys, we've been going crazy in the Discord lately. The last 2 weeks we've been undefeated trading, literally haven't lost. This new model that I've been using, the Duke's gap fill strategy, literally a 95% win rate. We have been killing everything every single day. You guys can watch it in my previous videos. It's actually insane. I have no words for it. But yeah, if you want to learn from me one-on-one, my new profitability program opens 7 days from today. So today's the 17th. It opens on the 24th. I am taking 25 students one-on-one, holding their hand to profitability every step of the way. Written out 90-day programs, A to Z trading courses, one-on-one sessions with me, group classes, live trading, everything you can think of. There hasn't been one person that hasn't been profitable that followed the guidelines. So click the first link in the description. That will send you to a waitlist that you have to apply to see if you can fit as my mentee. Again, I don't take everybody, so you're gonna have to see. Other than that, it drops on the 24th. Keep an eye out for that. But other than that, guys, what a video. Probably the most fun week of my life. Super grateful I'm able to do this stuff, but there's only one reason I can. There's 2 reasons. God, and then trading, obviously. And you guys saw it. I made the plane ticket literally on the phone at the gate before I flew over there. I made $3,000 to pay for my whole trip. But yeah, that's just the life. That's just the life of a day trader. But all right, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, first link in the description for the waitlist to my new profitability program where I'm going to change so many lives. All right, guys, Duke's out.
On the floor of Putney, Narcan. He can't, she can't, but they know I can. I don't eat perks, no, I only eat Zans. You ain't got niche, no, you don't